Here we have an electric 1.5 peak pole saw. Comes in a very sleek design. Gonna be opening this, giving it a go. In the package, you see it comes with the operating owner's manual and safety instructions, a double guard for the chain itself, the actual chain and the Allen wrench. We'll put this thing together and test it out. So once we have everything out of the box, we're gonna go ahead and step one. We're gonna take the Allen wrench that came with the product. We're gonna unscrew this hex bolt here. Once that screw is off, you're gonna take off this cover, place to the side. You're then gonna see a tension screw here at the bottom of your Allen wrench. There is a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna wanna unscrew that all the way to this little knob right here is positioned back. You're then gonna take your chain guard. Make sure it is placed in the proper position. Follow the arrow with your chain. Once you have your chain on, you're gonna wanna slide over the chain for the drive socket. Line up that tension screw right there. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then you're gonna tighten this screw. Once you have your chain and your guard in place over the sprocket and tightened properly, you're gonna wanna take this cover, replace it again. The same bolt you took out originally, you're gonna wanna take that back in, tighten it up. So to test your tension on this chain, you're gonna wanna give it a pull on the top or bottom. See, make sure it snaps back into place, like so. You should also be able to move the chain around freely if it's feeling snug, as it does. Important to take note is that although this is an electric pole saw, it does take oil. So when filling your oil, it is good to know that it does take either bar and chain oil, or if you don't have any, you can use a motor oil, the SAE 30W motor oil. And in the back, you'll see it has a oil reservoir. The minimum here, top is fill. So we're gonna go ahead and fill that up. Wow, very nice, very butter. Open the top on this one. So guys, as you can see, this electric pole saw does a job and does it well and efficiently. So very nice piece of equipment.